Hello friends, let me show you what we will develop at the end of this course. We will be developing Dexpo. Dexpo is an enterprise application to manage import-export business of a company named Dexo. Dexo came to us with a problem and we are providing a solution in a form of OutSystems application to them. In phase 1, we will deliver a beautiful feature-rich application to Dexo. By using, they will be able to see the dashboard, a beautiful dashboard. They will be able to manage the import orders, export orders. They will be able to manage the master data in a form of category, customers, item, vendor. Will be able to see the beautiful reports. So in phase 1, we will develop all these things, and in next phases, we will add up more and more features in it. So in this entire course, we will combine our journey with learning the basic concepts, learning the design fundamentals, learning how we can handle advanced scenarios, combining everything with lots of exercises, and ending up with a beautiful, feature-rich, real-world use case as our capstone project. So if you follow this entire journey with me, you will be learning 3 things. One is how we can design a beautiful application using OutSystems. Second is how we can develop a feature-rich enterprise application using OutSystems. And third is I have designed this entire use case in a way that the execution will cover all the basic fundamentals of OutSystems. So indirectly, you will be practicing everything by combining with a real-world scenario. Hi guys, my name is Ankit Gangrade and I am an OutSystems Solution Architect having 12 plus years of industry experience and 6 plus years of OutSystems experience. I will not list down all the things what we are going to learn in this course. I will simply say that you will be learning everything what you need to learn to become an OutSystems developer. That's it. See you in the course.